In today's video, I'll show you how you can get the Quillbot Black Friday deal. So let's get started. First of all, you want to go into the description of this video, click the link so that you can go here into the website of Quillbot, and then you'll now be able to log in into your account or sign up if you don't have one already. And then you should be able to see this Black Friday Cyber Monday savings. So you can get 40% off the annual plans. So I can just click here on unlock 40% off because I'm already signed in. Click here on unlock, and then you'd now be able to see here the pricing plans. You can go for a free, premium, or team plan, depending on which one you want. So in my case, I'll just go for the premium plan. Click on get 40% off, and then you can now pay annually, quarterly, or monthly. So go for annual plan so that you can get the most out of the savings. And then in here is that you could go here into the use a discount code. So you should see this one already applied, BFCM deal. So if it's not yet applied, then you can just type it out manually right here. The code is BFCM deal, and then you'd now get 40% off on the annual plan. And once you're sure of this, you can now click here on the payment details and provide your payment information and click on pay. And then once that's done is that you will now have purchased a subscription here in Quillbot using the Black Friday deal for a massive discount. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.